Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. This interconnected world offers amazing opportunities, but it also comes with risks. Cyber attacks are growing more common. Criminals and other bad actors target businesses and individuals. They steal data, disrupt operations, and cause harm. Protecting our digital assets is crucial. We need to understand the threats and how to defend against them. This is where cybersecurity comes in. Cybersecurity is about protecting our digital lives. It's about keeping our data safe and our systems running smoothly. Think of cybersecurity tools like a detective's toolkit. One essential tool is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a special operating system. It's designed for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. It's like a regular computer, but with powerful tools pre-installed. What makes Kali Linux special? It has a vast collection of tools. These tools help you find weaknesses in computer systems. These weaknesses are called vulnerabilities. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. Kali Linux is free to use. Anyone can download and use it. This makes it a popular choice for learning and practicing cybersecurity. Before you can start using Kali Linux, you need to install it. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. You can install Kali Linux on your computer directly, or you can use a virtual machine. A virtual machine is like having a computer inside your computer. It's a safe way to experiment with Kali Linux. Once you have Kali Linux installed, you're ready to go. You have access to a powerful set of tools for cybersecurity. Familiarize yourself with the Kali Linux environment. It's like learning to use a new phone or computer. Take your time and explore the different menus and options. Kali Linux comes equipped with a wide array of tools for vulnerability scanning. These tools are essential for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike, providing the means to identify and address potential security threats before they can be exploited. These tools help you uncover weaknesses in computer systems. By identifying these vulnerabilities, you can take proactive measures to secure your network and protect sensitive data. Nmap is a powerful network scanner. It allows you to map out your network, discover devices, and identify open ports that could be potential entry points for attackers. It's like sonar for your network. Just as sonar detects objects underwater, Nmap detects devices and services on your network, providing a detailed overview of your network structure. It helps you identify devices connected to a network and their open ports. This information is crucial for understanding your network's layout and identifying potential security risks. Hackers use open ports to gain unauthorized access. By identifying and securing these ports, you can prevent unauthorized access and protect your network from potential attacks. Nessus is a vulnerability scanner. It scans your systems for known vulnerabilities, providing detailed reports that help you understand and address potential security issues. It's like a security guard for your systems. Just as a security guard protects a building, Nessus protects your systems by identifying and alerting you to potential threats. It scans for known vulnerabilities in software and operating systems. This allows you to patch these vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Metasploit is a powerful exploitation framework. It provides tools for testing your defenses by simulating real-world attacks, helping you understand how your systems would hold up under an actual attack. It helps you simulate real-world attacks to test your defenses. By understanding how an attacker might exploit your systems, you can strengthen your defenses and improve your overall security posture. It's like a practice range for cybersecurity professionals. Just as soldiers train in a controlled environment, cybersecurity professionals use Metasploit to practice and hone their skills. These are just a few of the many tools available in Kali Linux. Each tool is designed to address specific aspects of cybersecurity, providing a comprehensive suite of tools for protecting your systems. Each tool has its own strengths and is used for specific purposes. By understanding and utilizing these tools, you can build a robust defense against potential cyber threats. Section 5. Vulnerability Scanning, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will delve into the process of identifying potential security weaknesses in your network using a powerful tool called Nmap. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, even if you're new to cybersecurity. Let's walk through a simple vulnerability scan using Nmap. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a free and open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. It is widely used by network administrators and security professionals to map out networks and identify open ports and services. Now, Nmap is a great tool for beginners to learn. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive documentation make it accessible for those just starting out in the field of cybersecurity. Plus, it offers a range of advanced features for more experienced users. So first, open a terminal window in Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a popular operating system among security professionals because it comes pre-installed with a variety of security tools, including Nmap. Think of the terminal as a command center where you type instructions. It's a powerful tool that allows you to interact directly with the operating system and execute commands. Next, type the command nmap followed by the target IP address. This command tells Nmap to scan the specified IP address for open ports and services. The IP address is like a street address for a device on the internet. It uniquely identifies a device on a network, allowing Nmap to locate and scan it. Nmap will then scan the target and display the results. The scanning process may take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the network and the number of devices being scanned. It will show you open ports, services running on those ports, and other useful information. This data is crucial for understanding the security posture of your network. This information helps you identify potential vulnerabilities. By knowing which ports are open and what services are running, you can take steps to secure your network and protect it from potential threats. For example, an open port with no security measures in place could be an entry point for hackers. They could exploit this vulnerability to gain unauthorized access to your network. Remember, running vulnerability scans on systems you don't own without permission is illegal. Unauthorized scanning can lead to serious legal consequences, including fines and imprisonment. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. This ensures that you are operating within the law and respecting the privacy and security of others. By following these guidelines, you can use Nmap effectively and responsibly to enhance your network security. Section 6. Real-world scenarios. The importance of vulnerability scanning. Imagine a hospital network with patient records, medical devices, and other critical systems. A vulnerability in the network could be disastrous. Now, imagine a cybersecurity team using Kali Linux to scan the hospital's network. They discover a vulnerability in an outdated software component. By finding and fixing the vulnerability, they prevent a potential breach. This protects patient privacy and ensures the smooth operation of critical medical equipment. This is just one example of how vulnerability scanning with Kali Linux can make a real-world impact. It's an essential part of a proactive cybersecurity strategy. Section 7. Beyond the scan, interpreting and prioritizing vulnerabilities. Vulnerability scanning is not just about running tools. It's a critical part of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. The process involves using specialized software to identify potential weaknesses in your systems. It's about understanding the results and taking appropriate action. Once vulnerabilities are identified, the next step is to analyze the data to determine the severity and potential impact of each vulnerability. Not all vulnerabilities are created equal. Some may be minor and pose little risk, while others could be critical and require immediate attention. Some pose a higher risk than others. Critical vulnerabilities are those that could potentially allow attackers to gain unauthorized access to your systems or data. Learn to prioritize vulnerabilities based on their severity and potential impact. This involves assessing the likelihood of exploitation and the potential damage that could result. Focus on fixing critical vulnerabilities first. These are the ones that could allow attackers to gain complete control of your systems, leading to data breaches or other serious security incidents. These are the ones that could allow attackers to gain complete control of your systems. Addressing these vulnerabilities promptly can prevent potential attacks and protect your organization's data. Use online resources and vulnerability databases to gather more information about the identified vulnerabilities. These resources can provide valuable insights into the nature of the vulnerabilities and how they can be exploited. This will help you understand the risks and how to mitigate them effectively. By staying informed, you can develop a more effective strategy for addressing vulnerabilities. Remember, vulnerability scanning is an ongoing process. Regular scans are essential to identify new vulnerabilities as they emerge and to ensure that your systems remain secure. New vulnerabilities are discovered all the time. Staying vigilant and proactive in your scanning efforts can help you stay ahead of potential threats. Regular scans are crucial to stay ahead of the curve. By continuously monitoring your systems, you can quickly identify and address vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Section 8. Best Practices: Maximizing your cybersecurity posture. Using Kali Linux is just one aspect of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Here are some best practices to enhance your security posture. Keep your systems up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix known vulnerabilities. Use strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible. This makes it much harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Be cautious about what you click on and download. Phishing attacks and malicious software can compromise your systems. Educate yourself and your team about cybersecurity threats and best practices. Knowledge is your best defense against cyber attacks. Section 9. The future of vulnerability scanning. Staying ahead of the curve. As technology evolves, so do the methods used by cybercriminals. The future of vulnerability scanning will involve staying ahead of these evolving threats. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a significant role in automating vulnerability detection and response. Cloud-based vulnerability scanning solutions are becoming increasingly popular, offering scalability and flexibility. Threat intelligence sharing platforms will enable organizations to collaborate and share information about emerging threats. By embracing these advancements and staying informed about the latest trends, we can create a safer and more secure digital world.